Alright, I guess we're waiting on a...
Yeah, I think there's sorting something out because I'm pending in game, but I think he's gonna try or she's gonna try and sort it out so we can start with at least VC because I'm 10th in key.
Alright.
Is everyone at DOJ HQ? Is that where they're doing it?
Yeah, we're both like... Well, I'm not gonna be there. I just
No,
gotta
no,
join
no.
the game. I'm in my car.
Oh, right. Yeah, I think that's only slightly less sad than me, but fair enough.
Where are you at?
Well, I got out of bed to do this, so I feel like that makes me pretty sad. Yeah. I was about to go to sleep, but doesn't matter.
I mean, priorities, Roblox.
Yeah, no, it's true. I don't really need sleep. Roblox is life.
I mean, until you join, it's just like a podcast at this point, so...
Yeah, to speak my mind, right? Well, maybe if the mods could kick some people, there must be some AFK people now. I don't really have connections like that.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, but that guy's irrelevant. We don't need him in there.
He's not that important, let's be honest.
No, let's get him out of here. Get him gone.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, they can hear us on the news thing. Hi. Oh, who let this guy up here?
I'm a VIP.
Yeah, he's up here for his glory.
Oh man.
Yeah, Sato got this, right?
No, I got dragged out of fucking bed for this. What are you kidding me?
I'm in bed right now, actually.
Oh, right, okay. What time is it for you?
It's 9 p.m.
Wow, and you're in bed.
I mean, I'm not getting on for this.
What are you, 50?
Maybe I am 50.
You're not getting on for this? I got out of bed and it's 2 a.m. for me, and you're not getting on.
I have to get out of bed and turn on my PC and whatever.
Oh, bless you. It is hard.
Yeah, back pain, legs are giving out.
Legs are going out. Dara, you have big connections. Can you get the mods to kick people so I can join quicker?
They have a policy against it, I think.
Oh my gosh.
Like they need permission from like a senior mod or whatever.
Oh, right. Great. To do their job. Okay. Whatever. That's fine. I'll just wait.
Something like that.
Wait like a peasant.
How much longer do you have? What spot are you in the queue?
I'm 9.
Oh, you should be fine. It's like 10 minutes.
Yeah, no, it's been great. I don't know why it's taking so long, it's really annoying. So many no-lifers play this game. But then I got out of bed for this, so I guess I'm a no-lifer too. Whatever. Anyway, Darrow, how have you been?
I've been pretty good,
Where have you been would be a better question, right?
Just the usual diplomacy,
Right. Is that like
a lot of hard work?
Was that being an attorney general in another state, or what did that entail?
What about like real life responsibilities?
No, there's none of that kicking about around here.
Yeah, none of that's going on.
Yeah,
I quit my job for this. I quit my job for
this. Don't know any of that is.
Yeah.
Real life? I didn't concern myself with that.
Yeah, Sato, bro. I heard you have a job. What's that about?
No, I actually quit my job for this.
City, you better wrap that shit up, dude. Employment isn't allowed.
Yeah, I was also thinking about not going to college this semester just because it's just have so much going on with Roblox. It's
Yeah, I'm actually I'm withdrawing my university application. I mean, just Clark's been getting so busy. I think I gotta stay close to my priorities.
with Mr. Bob. It's no.
Dude, Jovi, dude. Like 5 of those roles are the same thing. It's because I'm gonna be a no-lifer. Letty's because I'm a Letty cert. Can you do a Q&A? What questions do you have? We can do a Q&A.
We can do a Q&A, I guess, before we begin.
Yeah, Dara won't answer them. He doesn't know what he's doing. How many butt plugs is too many? I wouldn't have any, to be honest. How many times do you goo in a day?
It depends if connected to a tail.
I actually don't
Yeah.
goon.
I think so.
I don't goon. I don't recommend gooning. It's not good for your health. Can we
Yeah,
start
I
diving?
heard. I was looking at a study. It's like gooning makes your brain deteriorate, kind of like an addict's does, but worse.
Really? Wow.
Yeah,
I'm from the United
bad.
Kingdom.
It's a good
So
fact.
yeah.
Oh,
What do you mean? Where in
oh,
the United Kingdom? I'm from England.
who
Yeah,
published
where's
the
the
How
next-
did you
study?
know?
I don't know.
I'm
It was like the NIH.
from the south of England.
There, guys.
Hmm.
Yeah, who should be the next SG?
Who should be the next AG? I'm
Nope, you didn't say that.
I'm about 3 hours away from London, Tom. Geek bar? I've never vaped, or I think that's what geek barring is, right? I don't know.
I referenced the study. Just trust me.
Is Birmingham good? No, far too many foreigners. They ruin it. Don't go there. Do I like Jews? I didn't have any comments on that. I can't give you the DOJ's opinion on anything. You have to speak to derogatory about that.
Yo, what's up? What's the question?
Yeah, Luso, whenever you want. What's the DOJ's opinion on legalizing controlled substances?
Because we like to have control over what you guys can do to make money, so we're gonna go ahead and say that we want that illegal.
What? Okay, why did I see for MBI outside your house? There's no MBI. What kind of foreigners? And there's just too many Muslims, man. I can't lie. I don't know where they're from.
Oh,
The
you're
DOJ
You're canceled.
loves cats. Irenze loves
Yeah,
cats.
cats are cool, man.
Yep.
Cats are cool.
They
They're from
are
Calais.
Yes.
No, they're not from Calais. They were having a really hard time in Calais. They had to flee to the UK, didn't you hear? Happened to that
No,
arc.
DOJ does not hate Muslims.
No, DOJ doesn't hate Muslims. I just personally am not.
I
a
only
fan.
dislike Hasidic Judaism, not Jews, but Judaism. Like the
Okay, we're starting to
the
keep saying.
orphans. I'm sorry.
Does anybody have any questions about the DOJ, like actually, or do you just kind of?
Are we allowed
the
to press
DO
charges against the DOJ if they approve of Indians into
Can you
land?
dissolve the DOJ?
They get a
DOJ
visa,
has
maybe.
the DOJ has a very clear anti-immigration policy in regards to illegal immigration.
Can the DOJ give me a pixelated job? Simply awesome. You're gonna have to do the blood ritual to do that.
DOJ is held to the same legal standard as everyone else. Yes.
What have you done to help Clark County as an AG? Nothing. Okay.
Does DOJ
all immigration to Mayflower? No. We can't deny people from Mayflower.
Does DOJ prosecute black people differently? No, we prosecute everyone the same. What if a Jew is the head judge, though? I have nothing against Jews.
Ooh, good question from Irenze here. Will just Zapper be killed? So, as you can see in the DOJ server, we have made a femboy role. So that's like protected class, kind of. Just Zapper does have that role, so.
The Department of Justice isn't awful. We just don't
Yeah,
shout
American
about
Sterling,
everything.
you are awful. That's the problem.
We're happy to start whenever, by the way. Can we rename Mayflower to New Israel? You'll have to speak to Orange Bear about that. I'm not, that's not my domain.
Free
Yeah,
KFC, can you make me Deputy Attorney General? Unfortunately not.
No, Deveris does all the work for DOJ, so we
What's
can't
the
get rid of
shower
him.
quota in DOJ?
Do you support active die-rich abolishing? I didn't know who active... Oh, that's
Stupid
you?
question.
I didn't know about the deep state is. Am I the Crown Prosecution Service? I'm not.
Can we touch just
No,
that?
we
No.
can't. I can't approve of that.
All right. I don't appreciate that ping. We get a moderator on that one, please. Thank you.
What is the
Well, then
DOJ going to do about the port under control? The car bomber terror orgs are running rampant.
I'm in. That's good news.
Simply awesome. You're welcome to take like vigilante action.
Why are there
Extremely
multiple sexual harassment
Yep.
lawsuits coming from the DOJ?
That's fake news.
Oh, well, actually, as a rape victim myself in the Clark County Jail, and I'm currently litigating this personally. I don't appreciate the fake allegations against my temporary employer.
Yeah, we have none of that here. We
Yeah.
are
Here's me.
anti-rape.
Can I have money from DOJ, please? No, you cannot.
We don't
We
have
were
a
denied our
budget.
money from the Jew.
Yeah, okay.
I
We
wish
don't have a
black
budget.
people in prison.
Well, the
If
new
you-
let me destroying the lizard reptilians behind your human mask.
Okay, here's a
I
good question.
Rich. That was
Here's
a
your question.
bad question.
What's going on about the corrupt DA and sheriffs? Obviously, I wouldn't like to call anyone corrupt, so it's quite a harsh term. But
I'll do that.
I'm gonna say no comment on this one.
DA
No
and
comment.
sheriff.
No comment.
We actually have Sato and Pacto handling that one. So,
No comment
yeah.
on that one. No
Yeah,
comment.
he
We've
says no
taken-
comment. Unfortunately, there's no comment.
Yeah, there's no comment in that regard. Okay, hi, I'm here. I'm here in game. What am I?
How does the
what am I-
Department of Justice take action to handle anti-Semitism targeting Jews within Clark County? We shoot them. We shoot
When are
the
we gonna
anti-Semites.
drone strike MRF base? That's classified. Can I
Yeah.
Did you join the game yet? Like, holy fuck.
Yeah, I'm here.
shit,
I'm
bro.
here. I just told you I'm here. Oh my gosh, I gotta do everything right now.
Lisa Labs. You gotta catch up, man.
Why is there a Jew in my seat?
Element, don't just said fuck you. Okay, great.
Alright.
Alright.
Am I sitting here? I don't, am I okay? Can I sit here? Is that okay? What else? Can we create a new medal for being the biggest bitch in your respective department? Again, that's going to be an orange bear matter. I can't help you with that.
Orange bear matter.
You support active. Man, listen, I don't know about your political campaign. I can't comment on it. Want cookies and milk? No, thank you.
What do you think about the obesity crisis in Clark County? I'll toss this one over to derogatory.
Yeah, what's the question?
The obesity crisis. What we're doing to address it.
Oh, well, I mean, as you know,
I think we actually had to get someone's punishment revoked. They had to walk 10 miles.
well, there you have
we
it.
did do that. Also, when they come to prison, we have them do mandatory exercise. So,
We're big on health. We're big
Yeah,
on
like
health.
Sato Impacto did go through that when he went to jail for that short stint. So he did have to
allegedly.
Allegedly, when he allegedly
guys,
went to jail and was raped, unfortunately.
Alright, guys, we're apparently starting in game, so we got to be serious now.
All right, lock in.
Alright.
Well, I guess I'm starting in game.
Who can...
Sit there and do fucking nothing.
Yeah, you
I'll do all the work.
Where's my charger?
Yeah, as usual.
Guys, I'll be right back.
I'll go after you.
Okay. Well, I think I'm just answering questions. So if you want to make
Actually,
your speech,
wait.
if you want to make your speech at the end once we're like done, I just say, no, let's say they make a speech.
Well, we should start with a statement and then go to questions.
Is that because you want to go?
Yeah, I want to feel special.
Fair enough. I'll answer some of these questions while we're waiting for them to set up. Can I accelerate the bill? I can't accelerate any bills. No, I don't work for the Senate. If you're having any issues with the port, then please report them to the DOJ tip line and we will deal with the matter expeditiously, as we always do. No, JGAOBY, I've not had that. I'm hoping to potentially have that in the future with a loyal Christian wife. Opinions on the Clark Liberation Army, I've never heard of it.
You're on camera. You're on camera, buddy.
I know, I'm just answering questions, right? Have we got in-game questions? How is this working? Alright, Sato, are you wanting to...
Let me read first, and then
Alright.
we can take questions.
Sato's
Okay.
going to give a statement, and then I'm going to answer questions, everyone. So just hold your questions for a moment.
Yeah, alright, so, 1 second, I gotta pull up this teleprompter.
This guy. No, we're not
Alright, good
bringing up
evening.
Bob.
Good evening. Before we begin, I would like to thank Attorney General Derogatory, the DAG, Devereux Lasbury. His power went out, so he can't be here. The AAG, Effortless Brit, and our colleague, Director Taken, their tireless dedication over the past months through... Oh, that's cringy. I'm not going to say that. I did use ChatGPT to write this, so I'm sorry.
Right.
Today's update reflects a coordinated, unrelenting effort to protect the integrity of Mayflower's political process, its markets, and its law enforcement priorities. The first matter, we are here to brief the public on the state of Mayflower civil racketeering and
You speed
fraud
this up?
action. What?
Can you speed this up?
Yeah, I got you. Don't worry.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so in essence, we have a lawsuit against Columbia First and Mayor Hauser Logging for civil racketeering and fraud under state law. And if we win that case, their business, Mayor Hauser Logging, and the Columbia First Party will both be dissolved, and then hopefully treble damages, meaning like 3 times whatever amount. And we would like to also disgorge, meaning take it away from them, the millions of dollars that they fraudulently obtained through trafficking illicit narcotics proceeds. As to the second topic, which is actually I'll leave this for Britt to comment on. That's just about the Colorado. The third topic is the CF dismissal. So, as I'm sure many of you are well aware, and were there for the TRO hearing, that was frankly a little retarded. The Columbia First brought a lawsuit against the Department of State and the MEC for essentially enforcing our rules, and that case is now dismissed in favor of the state, because essentially what happened was we went to the Supreme Court and they ordered that the case be severed as to all the plaintiffs, because Bob, our very smart district attorney, was trying to bring the case pro se. Look at the screen. Bob, our very intelligent, our gracious, voluptuous district attorney, was trying to bring the case pro se. But as many of you know, you can't bring a case pro se on behalf of other people. So that case was severed and then it was dismissed. So the TRO is vacated and all the orders in that case are vacated.
Can you explain for the
case
listeners what that means, by the way? Pro se? I don't think they know that.
Oh yeah, George doesn't know
Okay,
the law.
so-
Could you explain it to him?
Yeah, so pro se means you're like you're litigating a case like only on behalf of yourself. Like if I get punched in the face and I want to sue somebody, but I don't want to get a lawyer, and I can sue them like in court on behalf of myself without a lawyer, but only on behalf of myself. That's what it means.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay, are we done?
Yeah.
Can we get on from the chat?
One more.
Oh my gosh, dude, hurry up! I got out of bed for this. Are you kidding me?
This is more important.
No, not your waffle. Hurry up.
Okay. We also won a case against the county government because they tried to essentially use the county charter that's now defunct. Very smart individuals in the county government, I will comment. Very smart, sarcastic.
About 20 people have left the stage since you started talking, just so you know.
They can't be that bad. They can't be that bad.
Alright, how about let's just sum it up. Alright, just sum it up.
We won the case. Let's just say
We're
we won
winning.
the case.
We're winning big. We're winning big. We never won.
We are
so
winning
big.
pretty big.
Where's the energy, bro?
We're never
The
going to.
DOJ is
It's 3 a.m.
better.
in the morning.
The DOJ is better than the district attorney and the entire county government. The county government will crumble.
Well, I will say we are planning. Derogatory is planning to mobilize the National Guard against the county government. That's not true, by the way. I made that up.
Federal-
No, that is very
National
true.
Guard.
That is very true.
Okay. Let's move to
Also,
questions. Say that, man.
yeah, Bob fucking sucks. He can't-
Okay, right.
you.
Okay, thank you.
Listen. He was bragging about beating the state, and he has not won a case. Thank you very much. Also, I'm probably gonna release a recall petition, so you could please sign that. That'd be great. I'm not running
not-
personally.
That's
But
not
look.
DOJ affiliated.
I would
That's not
rather,
DOJ
I would
affiliated.
rather, I would rather there be no district attorney than Bob 78711.
All right, let's move to questions. Let's move to questions.
That was
That's not
beautiful. Thank
DOJ.
you,
That's not
Sato.
DOJ affiliated. Okay, right. Back to questions then. Is there any questions which anyone would like addressed? I'm happy to talk on the Quo Toronto case. Obviously, I know a lot of people were there. I'm the Assistant Attorney General for your little record thing. All right, go ahead with your question. So what's going to happen with the DA now? Well, the DA hasn't been covered as such in these cases. The Quo Toronto is more regarding the county board and all the kind of individuals within this county board, and the other case that we had against Clark County South was regarding the charter. So not as much against the DA, but I know an act was recently passed regarding his powers, so we'll have to see what happens with that. Am I a good boy? My mummy says I am.
Let's bring up audience members to ask questions. I feel like
This
it's
is
a
my
good idea.
favorite part.
No, I can't.
All right,
talk.
who wants to? All right, raise your hand if you want to come to the
Wait,
stage.
we got a
and I'll
good one.
bring
Got a
you
good
up.
one. Smelly armpits or stinky feet?
When you
ACT
come up, by
X
the way,
RZ
just
wants to ask.
say who you have the question for.
Into feet.
Yeah,
low key.
All right,
I think you're a good boy. Thank you,
ACT, you're
Sebas.
invited.
Hello.
this
I'm gonna
guy.
remove someone real quick. Just give me a second.
I just have a couple questions. First,
There we go.
for Lucille, can you bring up the Subway Surfers again?
Okay, we're not bringing up a. Yeah, I said I like feet.
My attention span's kind of lost, so we could please.
Yeah, can you just?
I don't
bring
know what
up-
I'm thinking about right now. What happened? There we go.
Way better. I have another question for Britt.
Hi.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Thanks for that. Thanks for that, Axe. I really appreciate that.
That was beautiful.
Axe is a bum. He's nothing more. Don't put him as anything else. All right. I can't work. Please stop asking me. Can I?
Why am
alienate-
I just sitting in the corner?
No. Yeah, it's like a cuck chair. It's crazy.
Yeah, you're a fucking asshole. You're an asshole.
Let me up. I can't let people up, dude. It's not me letting people up.
All
It's
right,
someone-
let's get lightning. Okay, just remember you have to have a mic, please.
No, you
don't
can't
just-
be alien in Clark County and land with your ship. No ships are allowed.
Yo, fuck niggers and goodbye.
Okay. Yeah, thanks for that. I appreciate that very much.
Yeah, Mod, can we get on that?
Yeah,
Let's
can we get on that? Let's get that dealt with. Let's get that wrapped up.
I create time. Oh, I don't want to bring that guy up.
Yeah, don't bring him up.
Alright, who else? We can do chat ones. I don't really care if they're in chat. Or is anyone? I don't think there's anyone in game asking questions.
It's more entertaining when we bring him up, though.
That's true, but none of them have mics, right?
Guys, ping Sato if you want to come up.
Yeah, I ping Sado. I can't bring you up. Bring ping.
In front of
ping
Alcohol.
Sado.
Oh my god.
Do I
There you go.
fart?
Why,
Yeah,
bro?
I fart.
Also, DM him too. DM Sato.
Yeah,
back to the wall.
No.
DM him for sure.
I think we should bring up Inferno Valkyls.
Alright, Anakin Toast.
I'm a human.
Oh
dude.
my
Okay.
god.
Alright, Anakin Toast, what's up?
This question's also for Lisa. Could you add Family Guy as well?
That's a bit much. I can't have more than one. What do you think of
Already on
county bringing in external attorneys to argue cases? I mean, we brought in an external attorney to argue a case. His name's Sado. At the end of the day,
Sato doesn't work for us permanently, guys.
yeah, some of the best talent isn't willing to, kind of work for, kind of tie themselves down in that way, and sometimes you have to bring in kind of external special counsel.
Well, no. He's just too busy suing us.
Yeah,
That
exactly.
He has so many
Yeah,
obligations to other clients.
Yeah.
You only got a few more days of it.
Oh,
After
look,
my-
dude.
Dude. I would like to apologize to everyone for my absence. I was throwing this together, and then about 5 minutes
Holy
before we
yeah.
Started, my
Holy
power decided
yeah.
to go
Get
out.
this
Can we get
guy out of
Anakin
here.
Get Anakin out of here. Get Anakin out of here.
Yo, I am here
Yo.
to do things and answer
Yo.
questions and have a great time.
Swear, bro.
I'm not a low rank. I'm a super high rank to whoever
Oh,
else.
you're a
runs.
low
rank.
There's
Yeah,
17
no.
in queue. This is absolutely abysmal.
Orange, you're
Thank
like
you
an
both.
MR. You're like a middle rank.
Oh, I'm MR. No, I'm HC.
Yeah.
I'm high command.
SHR.
No shot, dude. No shot.
All right,
Okay,
Chris.
That's
uh,
no pass.
I'm the chief
let's,
of police.
let's hope you have a mic.
I'm not a low rank, dude.
Say it up.
Lusa Labs.
Anyways.
behind
Anyways.
Brett.
Hello.
Hey, chill out,
Can you hear
man.
me?
Do we have any? Do we have any questions?
Miss-
Is
I
there
have a
anything I
question
can
for you,
contribute
Mr.
to
Brett.
this?
When are we gonna legalize furry hunting? Because I'm tired
Absolutely
of
not.
shooting furries.
That is a
No.
question for the Senate. Next question, please.
Yeah,
Fuck
ask
you.
the Senate, man. I don't know. Okay.
Yo.
Yeah, I don't like the people that we work for,
Yo.
honestly.
Oh.
What have we
Yeah,
talked about
Bob-
so far?
Bob
Because
is-
I made
Bob
like
is
this
not
big
speaking.
opening statement that I
derogatory.
didn't get to use.
Derogatory.
Yo, what's the word, bro?
Attorney General, I need to let you know, I just fired the PAR guy and the DOT guy. Yeah, they got fired.
Now.
All right.
Is that why? What happened?
Oh wait, that reminds me. I'll
No,
get
let's
back to
not-
you
I
about
just felt like
the.
firing them.
Okay,
I'll
let's
get back
not
to you
do
about the MNG thing as
I
well.
respect
right
that.
now.
I respect that.
Oh, Garrett, did you see the memorandums?
Yeah. I'll get on that too.
Yeah, I totally didn't write those. I totally did not write those.
I wrote it. Yeah, I wrote it myself.
No,
I
that was
wrote it
all.
myself.
That was all Orange Bear.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
you
wrote
can
it
read
Albert.
that.
Can
See.
you Albert add me?
Anyways,
Ask me
are we
block.
having a press conference or are we just fucking shooting shit?
I mean, I can't add people. Say that.
Effortless
Podcast.
Brit, Effortless Brit wanted me to speed it up, so I couldn't read my statement.
Yeah, no,
Hey,
your
can
statement was shit, dude.
Can we bring
Just bring
people
them
up?
Just bring people up.
Here, just pick from the crowd. Here, hold on. Oh, let's bring Bob up. Bob 7 new. Let's bring him up. Let's see what he has
Yeah,
to say.
all right. Bring him up.
Bob, we're looking for questions here. What's your question, Bob?
Yo, Bob.
All right, my
You got a
question is
question?
this: is spaghetti or fettuccine better?
Shut
Yo,
the fuck
Bob.
up. Next
It's
question.
spaghetti.
You asked
It's-
I have a question for Bob. I have a question for
I don't
Bob.
have any
It's
other
sp-
questions.
it's spaghetti, Bob.
Yo, Bob, when are you gonna stop being
Nice.
Hitler?
Be nice.
Okay.
How am I being Hitler?
You are being Hitler. You're the Hitler of DAs.
I have a question.
Here's how we'll do this. For anyone who has a legitimate question, please forward them to my DMs and we'll read them out.
No, you
for the
don't want to
crowd.
do that.
I have a question.
No, you don't want to do that.
Everyone,
I'm
you
doing
heard that. DM Deverus. DM
DM
Deverus.
me.
You're gonna get
We will-
so many DMs.
We will
Anybody-
answer. Yeah, we will start
anybody
answering
mind,
inquiries via that because I am.
Yo, Endo Marmot, what's the word?
Zimworld asks,
I have a
"Can
que-
Brit
I-
sit on my face?"
Hold on, Deverus has a
Absolutely
question.
not.
Devers, he has a question. Endo Marmot has a question.
What do you think about the Marmots taking over the memorial wall in the lobby?
Okay, no one knows who you are, dude. Okay,
No
no one
comment.
knows who you
Next
are.
question. Bob asks, "Can I crack you?" I don't know what that means. Next question. Talk about pursuing criminal charges for treason. Says Jess Dapper. As far as I'm aware, there's nobody that would be eligible to be charged for treason.
No, Bob,
So
straight up.
until such a time where I receive credible evidence for someone can be charged for
Yes.
treason, we're not charging for treason.
Names are Taco and Bob.
Bob. Oh my
Okay,
god.
here was actually a
My
legitimate,
phone
serious
messed up.
question coming from Sabubi. And quote: "As far as the ongoing lawsuits are concerned, is the district attorney's office prohibited from operating?" The answer is no. In the recent lawsuits, only the county board was enjoined from actually acting as the county board, right? Because of the whole hullabaloo, which concerned the writ of quo warranto as of yesterday. There was a new act that was also signed into law yesterday by Governor Orangebear, the quote-unquote Reckoning of the District Attorney Act, which
was very, very good, by the way, Big O.
no, can't say whether it was
Yeah,
good or not.
the
But
district
what it
attorney.
legally does is that it allows for the state attorney general as the chief prosecutor of the state, being both his statutory and constitutional responsibility to designate a scope or jurisdiction of cases where the district attorney may actually prosecute for. So
Bob.
he can't prosecute
Bob,
for whatever
you
he
hear
wants,
that?
essentially.
Bob's gone. Bob's gone.
Bob's in the audience still. Yo, Bob, you hear that?
Yeah, Bob gets packing, dude. All right. Can we
Yo, you're
bring
gonna be
someone up?
prosecuting infractions.
No, Bob.
Okay, I like churros. Go ahead and just drop your question there. Or Poopy Zazo / freakiest
act.
ghost.
Just DM me your question, dude.
What up,
Bob, aka Hello Mate Don't asks ass or tits. Answer's obvious, it's tits. Anyways,
Oh,
next question, please.
No, it's
No,
not. No, it's
dude,
not.
are you
No, it's
serious?
not.
Tits? To be fair though, tits. Okay, I would never objectify women. Actually,
who is my favorite NBA agent? I will say, what's that guy's name? It's the Irish guy.
one.
Yeah, the Irish guy.
No, I actually don't know his name.
Creed. Bravo Creed. He's my favorite.
Bravo Creed. He's pretty good.
Creed.
I like Sebeby though. Sebeby's pretty chill.
Churros asks, sweaty armpits or stinky feet? What's harder? No comment. And who's the baddie on the stream on the left? That is Sato and Pacto.
Thank you, Sato.
How do you hear that?
Okay, so what have we actually addressed in this press conference?